We all know YouTube and have watched hundreds of hours of YouTube content. We all have our favorite YouTubers we like to follow and wait for their post. But have you ever wondered how your favorite YouTuber makes money after spending hours preparing, writing, recording, and editing for videos? Welcome to Money World. And before we dive deep into this video, here are some minimum requirements to be able to monetize your channel. Number 1, 1000 plus subscribers. Number 2, 4,000 plus watch hours in 1 year, which measures how serious you are and how active you are in the platform as a creator. Number 3, an approved AdSense account. Number 4, your channel should follow all monetization guidelines and policies. And here are 5 most common ways creators earn money on the platform. Number 1, ad revenue. It is the most common way creators make money on the platform using Google AdSense. You must be above 18, and if not, you may have a legal guardian to help with the money stuff. And most importantly, you should meet your advertisers' guideline. Number 2, channel membership. If you have a good loyal following and people really love your content, you also feel like you are providing a great deal of value, then you can also allow subscribers to get a membership to your channel with a small monthly fee attached. To offer them perks like badges, emojis, video insight information, interaction with fans. For this, you should hit 10k subscribers landmark. Number 3, Super Chat. YouTube allows creators to go live, but the Super Chat feature is only available to fans living in some eligible regions. But any creator from all around the world can have fans paying them for money during live streaming so that fans can make their message stand out and pinned. Number 4, merchandise shelf. YouTube allows this feature after you get a minimum of 10k subscribers. It allows you to have a designated spot for showcasing your brand merchandise in your YouTube profile so that you can get more sales coming mostly from your audience. Number 5, YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium is a site's paid subscription service. It offers an ad-free viewing of all the videos, offline payback, and exclusive paywall content primarily made by famous YouTube personalities. For US subscribers, it currently costs $11.99 a month, and this includes a YouTube Music Premium subscription too. Currently, the revenue from YouTube Premium membership fees is distributed to video creators based on how much members watch their contents. So friends, these are the 5 most ways to earn money on YouTube. Comment down if I have missed anything. Bye for now. I promise to see you in the next video.